everyone, I am Vidhi and welcome to my channel. So today is 30th of December and I am on my way to the Morjim beach in North Goa. This beach is 30 kilometers from Panjim and 61 kilometers from Margao. So let's go. So this here is the entrance of the beach, and like this is the last point where you all can come and park your vehicles, and the parking is like quite huge, and just there is the beach. And here at the entrance you will also get this stalls, like there are corn.
Excuse me, madam, can you tell me the way how to go to the beach?
Go straight.
Oh, I'll have to go to straight? Okay. And madam, can I have one guide with me? I don't know much about this. So.
Okay, so like there are these stalls, for shopping and all. So here we are now out on the beach, and you all can see it's actually kind of empty at the moment because it's like 1:30 p.m. and the sun is also like right on top because of that, and most of them are now inside the shacks. The moment you enter, you have this one shack here. I don't know the name. Oh, it's Planet Bollywood. So that is there. So here on the left hand side of the beach, it's completely empty, and if you walk to the extreme, like kind of at the end of the beach, in the left hand side you all will get to see the river Chapora. So now first, most of the things here are on the right side of the beach. So now I've come a bit close by to the water area, and like although it's so hot, people are like still enjoying and all. Some people are playing football in the water, and some are like just relaxing. So it's quite sunny, and honestly speaking, I'm not even feeling hot because the breeze is like quite cool, and I feel like a tourist today because it's my first time at the Morjim beach. So yeah, and at first we had decided to go on the right side, but now we are going towards the left side where there's not much to see, but yeah. Now that was the main point from where I came walking, and you see this is the whole left hand side of this beach, and there is the end. From there you all can see the Chapora river merging into the Arabian Sea. Okay, so this was the left hand side, and on the southern side of the Morjim beach comes the Ashvem beach. So Ashvem is basically on the you can say on the right hand side of the Morjim beach. I'll also go. So now I have reached here to the end of the Morjim beach, and over here first I thought that the Chapora river is meeting, but it's actually that the Chapora river starts from here. There in the distance you all can make out that's the point from where it's going. So that is there, and this end of the beach is completely empty, just like one small family over here, and it's quite beautiful. It somewhat gives a feel of the Betul beach. The Betul beach is also somewhat like this only if you walk towards their end, and this side is like fully empty. So now I will go towards the other end of the beach. So the Morjim beach is like quite clean, okay, and you won't find much like trash on the beach, even on the like dry sand and also here on the wet sand. But you'll just need to be careful when you all are like a bit in the wet sand. You all will find pieces of glass, like they are not those tiny pieces, they are like huge pieces, so just be careful from those. And now I'm like walking towards the other end, which is basically the southern end of this beach. So while talking about the crowd here at Morji beach, it's like I'd say there are like 40% of Indian tourists and the rest are like foreigners. And yeah, it's like quite quiet and calm beach, a nice beach for those who want an environment like the beaches of South Goa in North Goa. Then Morji beach is like a good example. And so far the beach is, and I'm like loving the beach. And the wind is also like quite cool, you won't feel the heat here. And yeah, now as I said that I'm going towards the other end, the southern end of this beach. And over there like there is like some crowd, but that's also like just a bit near the shack areas and all. Shacks are like quite full. There are like 3-4 shacks here. I'll show them to you all. And that is there. So let's go. So these are the shacks here. There are like hardly 5 to 6 shacks, and all their beach beds are like almost full. I mean occupied, but some are sitting and some are enjoying in the water, despite being the time around almost 2 o'clock. So now yeah, that was the main area. Now going towards the other end. Like that was the main area of the beach, and we have come walking so far, like quite far from the main area. This is the area where we have come, and here also like there are quite a few shacks. Okay, and even here the crowd is same compared to the main area only. So where the Morjim beach is like quite a long beach. It's like almost for around like it stretches along like 3 kilometers, and still we haven't reached to the end yet. There we'll see that rocky portion. Beyond that is the end, and then we'll start the Ashvem beach, so you can make out. So at this other part of the beach there are like many foreign crowd, okay, compared to the main area only. And in those shacks like there is some good music going on, which is there. So well, let's continue ahead. So the rocky portion which I was showing you all, I have reached till there, and just look, you all can make out from here how far we have come. Like that was the point from where we started walking, and we walked all the way till here. And still this is not the end of Morjim beach. Morjim beach ends a bit more ahead, so I'm walking till there only now. So now this here is like almost the end of the Morji beach, and here also you will find a few shacks and some stores is also there over here to buy some few things if you all want to. And that rock is where this beach ends, and I'll just show you all once the whole view, although you all won't get a whole view of the Morji beach. Okay, so here there is another shack. I think that shack must have gotten some good views, so that's there. So I am now here at top of the rock to show you the whole view. Even from this rock you all won't get a view of the whole Morji beach, but well, this here is the end of the Morji beach, so it is there. So it's around like 5 o'clock, like 5 p.m. and we are like still halfway back to the main area, and because soon it's going to be like soon the sun is going to set, the crowd in this main area has like increased like anything. I'll just show you all. So there in the distance is the main area of the beach, and you all must have seen that when we were going from here, literally there was no one, but now just look at the crowd at the far end. It's so much. Well, it's also because the sun is soon going to be soon going to set, you can see. So to enjoy the sunset, many people are here. So let's go back quickly now. So now after walking for almost God knows how much kilometers, we are back here at the main area. Okay, and this is the crowd here. So now I had said in the start that we are going to be sitting here in the shack Planet Bollywood. So yep, going to where we all were sitting. setup of the candlelight dinners. Okay, they only give you all those candles on your tables if you all ask for it, and not much lighting as well outside the shacks. 7:30 and we are now leaving from Morjim beach.